have 2 sticks of butter in here, 1.5 cups of what we call icing sugar at home. We call it icing sugar in Nigeria. I don't know. Half cup, 1.5 cups. I took the lemon, stirred it a little bit, just a little. Be careful so you don't cut your fingers. I've washed the lemon very well because these days you don't know. I just like the fresh smell of the lemon in all this. Of vanilla, 1 good one. Now a pinch of salt, I would say. That's it. I don't need more. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's it. As my channel is growing, at this point I will just increase it so that everything mixes up very well. So what do we have then? We have sugar, we have butter, we have flour. That's it. We are done. Dough mixed. For the one that has not been touched with anything, you see there. Okay, while this one, I flatten it. My hands, just flatten it so it's easier when next you want to make into shape. It's easier to go to the next step. Okay, that's what I did. Okay, instant coffee. I'm putting 2 teaspoons instant coffee. So let me say I'm putting in here 2 tablespoonfuls of this. Okay, dark chocolate, cacao, dark. Putting it in there. I'm putting like I can make it brown. You can make it even darker if you have espresso and if you have food coloring, but that's fine. This is as good as it comes for me. I'm fine. Scrape. Don't see the need. This is my rolling pin. I've had this for ages. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. I prefer it to the wooden rolling pins. I just love it. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Okay. So I have. See how hard the cookie is so hard now. I have the chocolate one, and I have the one that has no chocolate on it, the plain one. Plain Jane. Call her Plain Jane. First of all, beat it to submission. I'm more good with flavors. As my son calls me, I'm the food engineer. Put patented on the attachment. Auntie so J. Jenkins, food engineer. Okay, I think this is good. This is good. So the ones that you want to make it even, you can just take some of the dough and glue it on it, and we're going to still roll them out. So don't worry about it. Okay. I just spray a little bit of oil, see if that will help with the rolling and the gluing. So you got it. Flatten it out. You don't even need a rolling pin, you can just use your hand anyway. Okay, let me use a rolling pin just to even everything out. Make sure everything is flat and even. I just figured this out myself right now. Because I oiled it and also because it's plastic, look at how easy it went out. I didn't even follow the recipe I said. So I'm actually equal parts. It has already divided itself, so all I need to do is follow the line of demarcation, right? Follow the line. Okay, so we're good here. We're good here. I'll just cut it out. but I'm not going to do this again. Cut it out with a scissors. That is food safe scissors, please. Now cut it out right in the middle. Plastic on top of this. I don't want it to dry out. Okay. So first of all, I roll it before I tear it out. So I'll cut it from this side. Roll it, smoothing it. I think this is where all the work is anyway. This is where all the work is. Once you got this, you're good to go. Because it's just butter. It's actually so soft now. I feel I need to put it back in the fridge. The butter is melting already so fast. This is very soft though. Melts so easy. Okay. So this is how far we have come with this dough. So I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other dough, where I just stamp it on. I think this dough is a little bit more runny, and because of all the additives. I froze it for a few minutes, so I'm going to put it back in the freezer. Really quick. If you get to this type of problem, just put it in the freezer. Okay, so I'm peeling this out. I'm peeling out the plastic that I used to, and that came out right. Look at this little piece followed it. That's fine. This is us here. The cookie is quite soft. We can slice it, and I'm going to put it back in the fridge. It's going to go straight from the fridge to the oven. I put a knife in the water, in the warm water, so that I'm hoping it will make it cutting it easier. So let's see what happens. This is what we are getting, and that's not bad. Okay, so I'm going to get little slices from this. Auntie J. Jenkins, you're an engineer. Okay, that's not bad. So we made it into a log. See? So I'm going to now put it back in the freezer. And cake dough, cookie. This is better. Now, guys, this is supposed to be the faux bois. This is it. Oh,
Is
yes,
it looking like
yes.
a free bar?
Yeah, finally.
Okay, guys,
Something
the
is
cookies
acting
out,
right today.
ready. We just want to beautify it, make it really look like
Engineer JL.
So I have here honey.
You're getting it right. That's good. I like it. I like this. I like this. So the trick is you just, whenever you see it misbehaving, put it back in the fridge or freezer, and then a few minutes is good to go. I'm going to put this back again in the freezer, and we'll bake. So I'm going to put a little bit of honey. I'm just going to dip it. Just the side, okay? You see? The side I dipped in honey.